Hello friends, welcome to this training session of Basic Excel, and in this training session we are going to learn about Quick Access Toolbar. Now Quick Access Toolbar, as the name suggests, is a tool which will help you quickly access some commands which you need very frequently while you are working on a particular project. So where is this located? Quick Access Toolbar is located on the top left portion of your Excel workbook. If you can see my cursor here on the top left side, this is the place where the Q80 is placed. Now, this Q80 allows you to add a tool very easily and very efficiently. Suppose in your project, you are requiring the conditional formatting tool very often. So you can go to this conditional formatting tool. You can right click here and click on add to Q80, the first option there. And as soon as you click there, you'll see that the conditional formatting button got added here. Let us go to the data tab. Suppose you are requiring the filtered command very frequently in your current project. So what will you do? You'll right click there and you'll get this add to Q80. And as I click on add to Q80, my filter button gets added there. Suppose you want to add this what if analysis. I again right click here and click on this button. And here you'll see that it got added. I have now conditional formatting, the filter, what if analysis, all these are added on my Q80. And suppose now this project is done and I don't need them anymore. So to remove them is equally easy. What do I do? I'll just click here and I'll say remove from Q80. I'll click here, remove from Q80, right? And all these commands I can easily remove from my quick access toolbar and add to Q80. Now, Excel has got around 400, 500 commands here, and we can take them easily there. And this will save a lot of time when we are working on some projects. Otherwise, what happens is that we may be looking after our commands into this menu bar and we may spend a lot of time searching for them. For example, if you have to insert a chart, we'll go to the insert command, and if we are inserting a column chart again and again, we'll have to come here. But if you feel that the charting is being required frequently, you can just add to Q80 and now it comes here. You don't have to go to the insert tab and go to the column chart and select it from there. You can directly click from here and utilize it. Now, other than this, we can also customize our Q80 by right clicking here, and here you'll see that you get an option called customize the ribbon and customize the Q80. If you click on customize quick access toolbar, if you click on the second option, if you click here, a window will open up. And in this window, what you'll see here is that Excel provides you the popular commands only, right? You can see only popular commands here, which are very few. But if you take this drop down and if you click on the all commands button, you will see that now you can see all the commands which are available on Excel in this option, and you can choose any one of them. Now suppose we are looking for an option where we want our Excel to speak. We will just try to go to the speak cells here. These are arranged alphabetically, so I go down and I select for speak cells, and as I go down I can see the speak cells is here right below the spark lines and above speech bubble. And this speak cells I'll select, I'll add here, it comes on the right hand side, and then I can just go and click on OK button and it gets added here. Now can you see here the speak cells button is activated. Now if I'm typing something, say if I type Ram, Joseph, Mohan, if I've typed all these names and if I type their numbers 10, 20, 25, and I want Excel to read these numbers, right? I want Excel to read these numbers. I've just entered some data here and I'll click on this.
Ram 10, Joseph 20, Mohan 25.
Okay guys, could you see that we have added speak cells here and our Excel cells are now speaking.